कोयल को भी अभी चिल्लाना है, मतलब भाई 4 बजे है शाम के। Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a never have I ever tag, as you must have guessed from the title already. Yes, nobody's there with me to play this game, but we are gonna play this alone because I am pretty lonely like that in life. Why do you think I've become a YouTuber? So I thought it would be fun to play this game alone because why not? And I have like taken down some questions from the internet. Where else I will get the questions from? Trust me, I have not seen the questions properly. I've just like ऊपर से read the questions. Like there were categories: good, never have I ever, kids friendly, then embarrassing, then blah blah blah. So I have taken like around 15 questions. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So you know how the game works, right? Like there's a question which starts with never have I ever, and if you have done that thing, that particular thing which is asked in the question, then you are supposed to take a sip of the drink, and if you have not, then you don't take the sip of the drink. So yeah, I am gonna drink Coke, obviously not gonna promote alcohol. Neither am I gonna drink water because I drink Coke more than water. So yeah, without further ado, did I say this already? Let's just get started. Never have I ever mistaken a man for a woman or vice versa. Yes, I have done that. Is that the case with just me or what? Like, that's natural, right? Never have I ever walked around with my zipper down. Fun fact, that has happened with me, like not deliberately, but yeah, I had kept my zip open and then one of my friends told me that Mansi teri zip khuli hai. It happened in college. So yeah. Oh, I'm supposed to drink it, right? Fuck. I'm forgetting to drink. Yeah, that has happened with me. Never have I ever screamed because of a bug. Yes, I do. I am scared of those big bugs like honeybees and shit. So yeah, I do scream because of the bugs. Never have I ever gave myself a bad haircut. Hell yes. Simran, if you're watching, high five. Both of us cut those stupid bangs and they were like of this size, like half of my forehead, and yeah, and I had my fashion shows in that period. That was like the worst decision I've taken. Actually, I've taken a lot of worst decisions, but बालों के मामले में, yeah, that was the worst decision I've ever made. So yes, I have had a really bad haircut. Never have I ever had dandruff. Everybody has dandruff. Like who even has written this question? I have had dandruff. Everybody does. It's natural. I think मेरे को 2 और ग्लास भरने चाहिए. Never have I ever imagined my life as a sitcom and who would play me. Yeah, a lot of times I have imagined myself in some sitcom, Friends, Flash. So yeah, I am gonna take. Never have I ever put gum under a table. No, I have never done that and I will never encourage anybody to do that. Please don't do that. Even if like I am in rickshaw, I'm eating gum or something, I will always take out some paper or something, or even the wrapper of the gum, and I will throw it in that and I'll keep it in my bag and then throw it away. Please do not do this gross thing. Never have I ever had a baby spit on me. Spit? Chevy has puked on me, like on my face. Fun fact, Chevy was like 3 months old. Sorry, this Coke is gonna give me a lot of verbs. You have to bear with me. Yeah, so I was telling a story. Chevy was like 3 months old, 4 months, no, 3 months old or something, like very very chota. And by the way, people who are new to my channel and if they don't know who Chevy is my niece. You can see my previous videos and you can just check her out. She's very cute. So she was like 2 or 3 months old, and my sister had just fed her, and I was just playing with her. So you're not supposed to play with a small baby until she gets a burp. So I thought मेरी मम्मा ने डकार निकाल दी already शेवी की, तो मैं बस खेल रही थी शेवी, and I was doing this to her because she likes when I do this to her. And when I did that, I was like this and like actually like this, and she puked. The whole milk was like all over my face. Thank God मेरा मुंह बंद था, otherwise yeah. So yes, that has happened and I will drink this. Never have I ever peed in the pool. Never have I ever peeled dead skin off my feet. I do not get this dead skin issue on my feet, so no. Never have I ever peed in the sink. Who pees in the sink? How can you pee in the sink? How? No, I have not done that. Never have I ever had a drop land on the toilet seat and not cleaned off. How can girls get a drop on the pot? Do you get a spot on the pot? I have not, so no. This shit is getting too embarrassing and gross, but yeah, I think you guys are having fun and laughing along with me or at me, or you're just laughing, so yeah. Never have I ever gone into the wrong restroom. Yes, I have. In fact, I have the proof of that, which was in Kerala. If you have seen my Kerala vlog, you must have seen it. If not, I will put that video right here, and I'm wearing the same thing in that video, so here it goes. So cheers to that. Never have I ever missed a high five. Always, like most of the times, I miss the high five, and even if I give, it doesn't make any noise. So yeah, I have. Never have I ever sang in the shower. Obviously, everybody sings in the shower. I mean, I sing, I dance, yeah, that's all I do. Never have I ever been scared of clowns. Hell yes, I am scared of clowns. Never have I ever creeped on someone I just met on social media. Where is the bus? The last sip remaining, so we'll be just taking one last question. Never have I ever had a cavity. I do have cavities, I mean, why not? Fun fact about me, these canines which you can see are my milk teeth. They have still not fallen and I have my real canines already behind those. So instead of having 2 canines on the upper side, I have 4. Yeah. Okay guys, I guess that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Let me know whichever question you found was the funniest, and even you have done it, let's just chat in the comments down below. So if you have liked this video, you know what to do. You just have to press that thumbs up button. It's free. Do that. That will make me happy. And also do not forget to click the bell icon, because if you do that, you will get notified whenever I am on YouTube. And subscribe if you have not already. We are very close to 2K. Let's get to 2K very soon. And yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye.